Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. And today I miss my divine, so I'm back with 3 green juices, as you can see in the title. And as always, I will be sure to put the benefits and the ingredients and the measurements and everything in the description, of course. Our first juice, we are using some romaine lettuce. I'm using some lemon. I am using some parsley, and be sure to chop your parsley up. I am using some pear, and I'm also using some ginger, and I'm using some spinach. So I'm going to take some of my parsley, to take my spinach. I'm going to take some of my romaine lettuce, my lemon, my ginger, some of my pear, right? And we are going to go ahead and juice this first batch up. Looks like we probably have 10 to 15 ounces. Let's see. All right, it looks like we have a good 15 ounces, so we're going to try this. So you remember all the ingredients? We had, oh my goodness, we had ginger, and we had lemon and lime, spinach, lemon or lime. And we had parsley and pear, and I said ginger, right? Okay, let's try it. Yeah. If this is your first time having green juice, you will like this. And all these juices are very similar in combination. You would love this juice. I love it. I love green juice. I mean, green juice invigorates me. And let's get on to our second juice. Okay, for our second juice, we are using spinach, we're using lemon, we're using pear, we're using celery, we're using parsley. I'm going to put the spinach in, I'm going to put the parsley in, I'm putting the celery in, the lovely lemon in. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and juice this up. Let's see. Right, it looks like we have a good 13 ounces or so. So we're going to go ahead and try the second juice. And remember the ingredients. We had celery and lemon, and we had spinach, and we had pear, and yeah, we had all those lovely, great ingredients. And let's try it. Yeah. Tastes just like the first juice, just a little bit more sweeter. I love it, and I know you will. Now let's try our third juice. Our third juice, we are using some lime, using the pear again, some spinach, and we're using some apple. I'm going to take the spinach, I'm going to take the lime, we're going to take the pear, and we're going to take the apple. Right, and we are going to go ahead and juice this up. So we're gonna go ahead and try this lovely green juice. And this is our third juice. And remember, we use lime, we use pear, apple, and spinach. And let's try it. It's so nice and sweet. Oh my goodness. You know, you can taste the apple and the pear. You'll love it if it's your first time juicing, and all of these 3 juices are amazing. And as always, I want you to continue to be well. I want you to continue to be true to yourself, and be sure to check out my other juicing videos. Peace divine.